All right, all my Real Geeks users out there, let me save you a few hours and at least a headache. Have you been thinking about building out a email workflow in Real Geeks, but you're just staring at a blinking cursor, wondering what to say to a cold lead, a buyer, or seller? Well, good news. Me and ChatGPT, we can help you out today. All right, so now that we're in ChatGPT, all you need to do is make sure that your prompt is as detailed as you want it to be. Start off with something easy like just buyer seller leads into the system. Don't get as detailed as this, but I just want to show you something that's a little bit different. So here's one of mine that I just created is I want to create an email text workflow tailored for Real Geeks. Use the merge fields, buyers coming in from a property landing page, give them some value propositions, not just a generic drip campaign. For the local market, I want the tone to be casual yet knowledgeable. Make sure it's email and text, include a call to action when needed, and make it different from all these other agents in the community, not just standard drip. Put times and dates for each step. So now it's creating everything. Now, as you can see, I have the plus. It's going to remember a little bit more for me. That's what it's doing right now. It's thinking and remembering all this. So it's updating, creating it. So we have a 14-day landing page call to action. Immediate text. As you can see, it's bracketed. So this would be the client's first name that came into the lead system, your first name, the address that they were looking at. And here's this. So you can do anything from telling it to add a video that you've already created and embed it into a file, things like that. So now I can just copy and paste this directly into the workflow campaign and change it for the source that came in. And voila, I'm done. I have created a custom workflow for Real Geeks inside of ChatGPT. Hope this helps. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm Dustin over here at Mantle Realty. Thanks for watching.